Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on Whatnot. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're just getting started with Whatnot and you want to add a profile picture so that sellers know your brand much better. How do you actually change your profile picture? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But the way to actually do this is first that you're going to go into Whatnot. Next, from here, what you're going to do next is that you're going to click on Account on the bottom right hand corner. And then from here, you're going to click on View Profile. Once you click on View Profile, you're going to see your profile image on the upper left hand corner. Go ahead and click on that. Now once you're on this page here, you're going to see the Edit Profile button. Go ahead and click on that. Next, you're going to click on your profile image, which is that little circle on the left hand side. And then from here is where you would actually go ahead and select the photo that you want to select as your profile picture image. So we're just going to select this one here. Next, you can actually go ahead and move your image if it's not sized correctly, and then click on choose. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your profile image on Whatnot. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Last thing you need to do is also save it, but there you have it. If you guys have any questions, let me know.